Have you guys ever been to an event and you've been blocked in and you can't leave? Because that is pretty much what has happened here at the shop. We are stuck in this row and there's a row of cars street parked. I'm gonna try and ask someone and see if they could get this car out of the way. Are you able to announce if one of the cars needs to move?
Yeah, we've been doing that. Which car needs to move?
It's a tan GS300, like literally right in front of this post.
If we get somebody in the tan GS300 up here to move, you blocking some cars there. If we get you to move, please. GS300, it's your tan GS300. We appreciate you.
They said I need to move.
Yeah, I had him go call it. Let's go, thank you.
Also, I was looking around, I was like, what's
I mean, you could literally just move forward and I could probably get this way, but yeah, or...
I'll move up a little bit.
Okay, thank you. What up? We're free! Let's freaking go! Shout out to the MC. Hello! So, this is my Honda S2000 bone stock. Tonight, you join us on the final mod. We are gonna do basically the biggest weight reduction mod out of anything that you could do besides taking the soft top out right now. And that is because we have the one and only Jay's Racing Titanium 70RR right here. Whoops. It's really hard to show on camera. Like, these are my fingers. And like, it's incredibly light. It's also going to be incredibly loud because this is the mod that I've been showing all my friends the videos of S2000s that sound like street bikes, especially the AP1s because they rev out to 9K. And today we're hopefully gonna make my car sound like a street bike because of which. People say that this drones, so I'm also gonna discover that for myself as well. We'll have a nice little turn down at the end. But literally all I see is 3 hangers, and then we bolt it up right up there, and then we gotta flange these two together. So I don't wanna jinx it, but hopefully this is easy. Yeah, I got it loose. Viewers have no idea how freaking tedious this is. Like, this is probably one of the easiest things you could do, but we have limited resources here.
If you want to get those two over there, that one. It's so overkill.
I hate working vertical.
But yeah, so now we can drop it down.
How is it just levitating on its way down with the jack?
Is it? No way. It's just stuck on the sway bar.
So you just gotta push it out of the way?
Kinda, yeah.
Alright, now lower. Oh boy. Holy cow. Dang, she got some cannons.
That's insane.
Dude, look at these boys. These are fucking, this looks like some freaking Star Wars type stuff.
It's like a TIE fighter.
Dude, she got cannons.
Not a TIE fighter. What are they called? The like the pod racer things?
Like a pod racer,
yeah,
essentially?
Pod racer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, it does look like a giant pod racer. Dude, my pod racer stock exhaust on the S2000. We got the most big boy impact with a freaking 10 mil socket. Dude, this is car mechanic lore. To understand the ways in which this is funny, you've just had to be here before and realize that.
That looks
This
so
is like
stupid.
this is a big shaft going in a small hole.
Oh yeah, don't tighten it too much.
Yeah, this thing is huge. It's so heavy.
It's so overkill.
I mean, it does the job, but
specifically for the 10 millimeters, bro.
yeah, and then for us trying to like work against gravity, this impact is freaking so annoying.
If we had a lift, it'd be one thing, bro. We need that, bro. For our sanity.
I don't have enough cement. Ow!
Sorry. Yeah.
So weird.
What the? No way.
The socket is stuck.
I fucking stand there.
We're just gonna have a 15 mil socket just hanging under
That's
the
what's
car.
gonna scrape first.
My hands are too weak.
Alright, sick.
Alright,
we're in.
It's
Oh my god.
It's okay.
That's yeah. Okay. My neck, dude.
There she is, little turn down single exit. We're gonna see if it ends up actually burning the factory plastic right there because it's almost touching it, and this titanium definitely will get super hot. I've been stockpiling a lot of these parts that went on the car the whole past week with all of these videos, and because of that, Zach has known that I've had this exhaust for a very long time, actually, very close to when I first bought the car way back in May or June. So every single day of the summer, this guy's always been asking, when are we gonna put the exhaust on? We should just put the exhaust on right now while it's up in the air. We should just do it, we should just do it. But I wanted it to be the very last thing because I knew it would probably be the mod that would make the biggest difference and the one that I'd enjoy the most. So without further ado, let's fire it up and see what the Jays Racing Titanium 70RR sounds like. Engine stop. That's different. Dude, it's just weird to hear a rumble from this like cutesy, feminine little car that it's been basically the entire summer, and now it's meaty and meaty. Somehow with stock headers, it is a little bit drony in here. Oh boy. We are Honda man now. We are that four banger, just wah Honda sound on the dyno. It's like a Honda, and I feel like a Subaru driver at the same time. Oh! Oh! Dude, this sounds crazy! Oh, here we go! Oh, man! Dude, this is the best sounding four-cylinder Honda in the world. I'm saying it right now. All right, listen up. What the shit? I hate four cylinders, and it's sad. This is one of the best sounding NA four cylinders that's out there. This is unbeatable. I don't know what they sprinkled in the F20 of all motors, especially Honda motors, but it just sings. It's a very deep four-cylinder tone. I think that's why it sounds good, is it's kind of like a deeper bop and not like just a like the whole time. Although when you hit that 9,000 RPM, it kind of does scream. Cut to the good sound clips. figure this out. How do you open his trunk? He's like looking way down there.
You not put the key in?
No, but like, how does it lift up?
Oh, well, there's this, no?
But how does it clear the wings?
Is it not all attached? Like the trunk is attached to the roof.
No. You're onto something. Because the trunk is still under here. So the trunk would go like this, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, you'd have to take this
unattached.
piece. You'd have to
The
take this
trunk
piece
is
off.
unattached from its pieces underneath. So it's just that moves. The trunk is no longer.
He's got it. Dylan's got it.
Yeah.
The trunk is attached to this. So the hinge is now this.
The hinge is up there now.
This is now the hinge of the trunk.
Oh, so there's no.
So when he pulls it up, the trunk's just like under it.
Trunk hinge. There's a hard top hinge.
Oh.
It's
I
now
see. And then the
attached
whole
back.
thing as a whole just comes up. Dang. Science.
That took a lot of brain power.
Possible trunk ever.
Oh. We just found a warthog.
Dude, that window. Imagine the window cracks and you have to get a new one.
Where do you go service your warthog?
Take it to like Microsoft. I need a new part.
There's no more Microsoft stores, dude. They took them away.
I turned 10 and I was like, wait, no.
Look at the shocks on this thing. Holy mackerel. That's a big board. Please tell me it has the freaking like rear steer, like the actual warthog steer. What is this? The Seattle Seafair Clowns.
I'm running the other direction.
Dude, it looks like it was written with blood hands. I'm just saying. Like, this just looks.
How many clowns can I get in here?
We probably have a lot of
At
clowns.
least 25.
They didn't want the clown car. They said we got the clown truck. Yeah, I don't know about this one, Chief.
You got the barrel, and it seems to be multiple pieces of barrel. Then
What
you have
the
the
heck?
spokes, and then they're like connected by this hardware.
There's
I've
so
never
many
seen
bolts
that.
holding on this wheel.
Yeah. Like what would you call this? A 5-piece wheel?
This ain't a bead lock. This is a freaking nut lock.
Yeah.
Did he get put in timeout or something?
yeah.
He put himself in timeout.
Damn. I want to wave to him, but we should all just stand here waving.